One of our friend was a teacher. One day he told us that he was going as an invigilator in an examination center. As a coincidence, his friend's son was giving the exam in the same center. His friend requested, "Please, would you be kind on my son?" On one day, he was taking round in the examination center. He stopped at the friend's son and asked, "Is here everything all right? Do you need any assistance?" Would you believe it was an examination of Islamic studies? And the child immediately asked, "Yes, I need your help in writing the names of 3 prophets." Although it was a difficult, very challenging task for me, but I tried to help him as much as it was possible for me. I told him, "You can write the name of your maternal uncle."
I know his uncle name was Ibrahim, Musa and Isa.
On the second round, when I came back to him, I saw the paper which the boy was writing. It was written over there, "Guddu uncle, Tony uncle and Chiku uncle."